there my lovelies, this is Jana here, welcome to my channel. So today we're going to make omelette, a different kind of omelette using a well-known ingredient to us, which is the good old chickpeas, but it's going to be made in a different way. For those who don't like a chickpea omelette, brace yourselves. This recipe is going to save you because it's easier than the other ones and much more delicious. So we start by soaking 1 cup of chickpeas overnight, or at least 8 hours. We're not going to cook them, we just want them to get softer. And then we're going to add water. And then we drain them. Add them to a blender. Add the same amount of water and blend it. Salt and pepper. You can use black salt if you prefer to give that eggy taste. A little bit of turmeric. And then you add the vegetables of your preference.
Water's rising, the dam is breaking in. It was bound to happen, 'cause your heart is caving in. So why you bother? This is nothing you can run from. You make it, 'cause I can't change it anyway.
And then we're going to put it on a skillet on a medium heat. Now if you don't have a non-stick skillet, you add a little bit of oil, but just a little bit so it won't stick to the bottom. And it's going to take like, I don't know, 5 to 7 minutes, but you have to check because by no means we want raw chickpeas because it's not good. So you pay attention to that. I like to leave it like 7 to 8 minutes because I like that golden crust.
You're the fire, you're the flare, you're the song inside my head, and I will taste every note. Feels so good when you're in my head, and it's the road I've figured and the curse I've been living, the flag I'm given, a signal. Pick me up again, come on, pick me up now. So you're the fire, you're the flare, you're the song inside my head, and I will taste every note. Feels so good when you're in my head. So I've been stuck forever, it seems like forever. I'm ready to fire the signal. Pick me up and say, come on, pick me up now.
Then you can have it with the avocados, or you can have it on its own because it's so good. I promise you, you're not gonna taste and you're not gonna feel that chickpeas. If you're sensitive to chickpeas, of course, because I absolutely love them, but some people just don't like the taste on omelette. So this recipe came here just to save your day. I love it, and that's why I wanted to share it with you. So this is it for today. I hope you have enjoyed it. I absolutely love. This is a very healthy and very good way to start your day. So if you make it, please tag me on Instagram and Facebook, and follow me on my social media. It's going to be linked right on your screen. And give me a thumbs up, and I see you next time. Have a fabulous week. Bye bye.
we can't change it anyway.